Welcome to an exciting investment opportunity presentation on Questra Holding. All income statements, examples, projections, and calculations in this presentation are based on past performance. As with any investment, future results are not guaranteed. In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you all about the holdings, the areas in which the company makes its profits, investor relations, and the transparency of the company. In addition, I'm going to talk about the investment portfolios and how you can gain access to those portfolios, and the affiliate program where you can create a business based on Questra Holdings. So let's get started. The holdings were established in 2009. In 2013, they renamed the company into Questra Holdings. They are registered on the British Virgin Islands. The headquarters are located in Murcia, Spain, as you can see in the photo to the right. They also have offices in Moscow and Hong Kong and will be opening over 80 new offices around the world in 2017. They have now opened a new office in Madrid and will be relocating the head office there soon. Questra has 158 employees in 28 European countries, including 25 fund managers organizing the invested capital. Questra also has its own insurance fund valued at more than 53 million euros. Business areas: purchasing and selling of debentures. In addition, Questra buys insolvent and bankrupt companies, splits them into their main parts, invests in the profitable parts, rebuilds them into new companies, and sells them at very high profits from 10 to 3,000%. They also financially support startup companies and new companies that are entering the stock market. Of course, for doing this, they get ownership in these companies and make profitable deals. Another area Questra specializes in is buying and selling large amounts of commercial real estate. In addition, Questra trades in the IPO market. They also deal in fixed income vehicles, which include, but will not be limited to, bonds, notes, subordinated debt, fixed income funds, and non-bearing interest debt from issuers such as governments, agencies, municipalities, entities, and corporations. They also invest in equities such as stocks, certificates, warrants, funds, ETFs, future bonds and commodities, and option contracts, or any equity-related vehicle that the investment managers deem appropriate. They also deal in long-term capital-intensive investments that include power, energy, transportation, and social systems developments. Investor relations. Questra actually manages more than 300 million euros from investors worldwide. In 2015, Questra paid out more than 213 million euros in payouts to its investors. During the last 7 years, Questra has closed over 1,100 deals, where 88% of those deals were profitable. Additional bonuses for partners. Questra will give interest-free loans on homes and cars for qualified partners. They also have many other incredible bonuses. In addition, if a partner wants to open up their own representative office in their hometown, Questra will pay for 70% of the cost. As you can see, with Questra, anyone can do a sustained and real business and is supported anytime. Transparency. Manager interviews will be published soon on Questra's site. They are also very accessible with live chat and email from the back office. Every partner will receive contract documents for investments and the affiliate program. Questra Holdings has a yearly auditing, and they have a certificate of good standing. They are audited by the country where they're registered, which is the British Virgin Islands. Basically, these are preliminary checks, whether the company has paid their legal fees and taxes and made all the prescribed filings and necessary requirements have been met for a business of this type in this country. Every partner gets a back office from AGM, the company which manages the funds. In the back office, each investor can manually organize their invested money. In addition, you'll be able to view each manager's performance and decide if you want a particular manager to manage your account, or to be safe, just choose an average of all 25 managers. Okay guys, enough with the boring stuff. Now I'm going to show you the exciting part, the investment portfolios. This is where we're making these incredible returns, and I'm going to show you how to get involved with our portfolios. Okay, so you have the ability to buy and combine as many portfolios as you want to, and each portfolio has a duration of 1 year and will pay out an average of 4 to 6.5% weekly depending on the portfolio you own. So for example, with the blue portfolio, with only investing 2,430 euros, after a year, you will make an average of 6,299 euros profit. And if you break down the monthly income, it's about 525 euros per month. Now with this example, guys, you're not reinvesting, you're just withdrawing. So if you withdrew your funds every month, you would withdraw around 525 euros per month for the year. And actually you are paid weekly, so you can withdraw your funds weekly into your bank account. If you look down at the bottom, you'll notice we have standard portfolios and colored portfolios. Most investors will not go for the standard portfolio because it only pays out once a year. The colored portfolios pay out weekly. And in the column to the very right of the screen, you'll see commissions of the company. This is simply AGM's commission for managing the fund for you. You'll see with the white portfolio, it's 39% commission, and as you go up, the commissions decrease. Now you can upgrade your portfolios, so if you have 3 white portfolios, you can exchange them for 1 yellow, and of course if you have 3 green portfolios, you can trade that for 1 blue portfolio, and so on. And as you go on in time, your commissions will go lower and lower as you trade up your portfolios. For example, take a look at the black portfolio. You invest 21,870 euros, and your average annual profit will be 68,234 euros. That's 5,686 euros per month and 1,421 euros per week. Now, if you look at the percentages, the white package starts at 4% and the platinum package goes up to 6.47%. The only reason these percentages are changing is because of the portfolio you own. If you look to the right, as the commissions of the companies go down, your weekly profitability goes up based on those commissions. You can literally invest 21,870 euros and a week later start withdrawing approximately 1,421 euros per week based on the weekly profits. And based on the black portfolio at an average of 6% per week, you could theoretically withdraw 100% profit in 17 weeks and still have your initial investment earning you an average of 1,421 euros per week. These numbers are incredible. Now this chart is showing you an example when you withdraw your weekly profits. Now I'm going to show you an example where you reinvest your profits. That's when it really gets exciting. Okay guys, this is a Questra income calculator. This estimates the profit and payouts that you'll earn when investing a certain amount. I'm going to show you an investment here of 900 euros, which is about 1,000 US dollars. Okay, so when I put the number in here, it automatically chooses 1 white and 1 green package. The green package is 810 euros and the white is 90 euros. Now I want to show you guys a certain calculation that I think is a great plan for you to follow. Okay, I'm going to put this over 104 weeks, so 2 years. And what I'm going to do is, let's plan that the first year you leave your money in and reinvest every week. The second year you withdraw 50% of your profits each week. Okay, so I'm going to put a 50% payout from week 53 to week 104. Okay, so the first week of year 2, you start withdrawing 50% of your profits and you reinvest 50% of your profits. You're actually not going to believe the results. If you're a numbers person, you'll know that most people can get about 4% a year maybe in their bank. Okay? It would take you 104 years to earn what I'm showing you that is actually in 104 weeks. Okay, follow closely. So you invest 900 euros, you get one white and one green portfolio, okay? This chart is paying out 4.5%, okay, which is fair for what they pay out. So the first week, 900 euros times the 4.5%, you're going to earn 40 euros. The next week, the same, and the next week, the same. Now, down here on the fourth week, you actually are able to purchase an additional white portfolio because you have over 90 euros in your account. You can see there we were at 81 and then it went to 90 and the chart automatically purchased another portfolio. Now you would have to log into your account and purchase that portfolio in your back office. Okay, so let's follow this down all the way. You can see the weekly payout is increasing and this is the invested amount. So let's go down to week 52. So at the last week of the year, you now have 9,000 euros invested. That's 1,000%, guys, because when you compound 4.5% weekly, it's just astronomical. It's paying you out now 457 euros per week. That's your income. And you have 9,000 euros invested. That's 1 year with a 900 euro investment. Okay, now on week 53, it's going to take half of your weekly profit and you're going to withdraw it. So this chart is showing you that you've withdrawn 238 euros into your bank account, but you're reinvesting the other 238 euros. So you're withdrawing 50% and you're keeping 50% in. Now watch how this grows, guys. Let's continue down. You'll see your weekly payout increases and your invested amount increases. Now as you go up, you will be buying more portfolios and you'll have a different combination of portfolios, always trading up when you can so your percentage commission is lower, okay? Now let's go to the end of year 2. At the end of year 2, you now have 21,600 euros invested. That's in the account, and you've withdrawn 20,000 euros. You're earning 1,100 euros a week. So from a 900 euro investment, after 2 years, you have 41,000 euros. 20,000 is actually in your bank. This 21,000 you could withdraw over time when they expire, if you want. And then you've got 1,100 euros per week. Pretty incredible. Now, let's see what happens the next year. Let's say if you invested 9,000 euros for 2 years, okay, with the same plan. So you start with 9,000 euros. You literally start earning 457 euros per week income. Let's go down to week 52. You have 144,000 euros invested and you're making 8,800 euros per week. Now you're going to start withdrawing half of that, 4,700 euros to your bank account and 4,700 euros keep invested. Obviously that's going to grow. You now have 483,000 euros you've withdrawn and 490,000 euros invested with a 30,000 euro per week paycheck. On the Atlantic Global website, they post the last 5 weeks returns, and you can see here 6.14, 6.7, 6.03, 6.41, 7.08. Now, I've been in about 10 weeks now, and they send you an email with your returns and also a text message. So every Friday night, you get a text message to your cell phone telling you of what the returns were that week and how much you have in your account. Now I'll show you how you figure out your net profit. Payout is 6.14, guys. So if you have the average of all 25 fund managers, which is what I chose, you would have the exact same percentage. So let's say you had a green portfolio, which is 810 euros, which pays 30% commission. If you take 6.14 minus 30% equals, you would have a net profit of 4.30% that week. Pretty cool. The affiliate program. This is for people that want to share the Questra funds. You will make a referral commission for referring the program. For those of you that don't want to refer, you don't have to. This is totally optional, but you can create a pretty large additional income by referring Questra holdings. As you can see, guys, down at the bottom, there's different levels. When you start and you buy at least a 90 euro white package, you are now considered a newcomer. Now, when you refer people, you'll make 5% commission on anything they purchase. And that's over and over and over again. So as their account grows and they're purchasing with their profits, you will make 5% over and over and over again. Now, as you go up in levels, the percentage gets higher. Bronze Agent 7, 9% on silver, 10.5 on gold, all the way up to 15% on a Platinum Director. So for example, let's say you refer Jenny. She invests with 7,290 euros, a red package. You'll make 5%. That's 364.5 euros, which you can then invest or you can withdraw into your bank account. Now, if you decide to refer more people or Jenny invests more money, then you'll make 5% on all your personal referrals. So as you can see to the right, you can become a bronze agent once you have 3,000 euros in group volume. You will then earn 7% commission from your personal referrals. Once you have 25,000 euros in group volume, you'll get a 1,000 euro bonus, which you could withdraw or invest. And you'll now earn 9% referral commission. And as you can see, as you go up in the ladder, gold agent, 2,000 euro bonus at 50,000 euros. Now this is your group volume, guys. So every time your team or the people below your team invests, all that volume counts towards the career ladder. So even the people who you refer and they refer and they refer, that all counts towards your volume to go up to the next level. Now it goes all the way up to Platinum Director, which is 10 million euros in volume and 500,000 euro bonus. Pretty amazing if you want to refer the program. Now when you're making 4 to 6.5% profits per week, it's going to be hard not to tell people about it. Now guys, you will also earn a team bonus. As you can see here, you've got Johnson, Martin, Julia, and Jenny. If you combine their volume together, that'll help you move up the career ladder and get that group volume. But also, you'll get a bonus on the percentage. Each time a portfolio is sold, they pay out 15% bonus. Now, if you're at a higher level than the team below you, you're going to make the difference in that 15% to your level. Let me explain. Okay, so an additional bonus, in this example, you're a bronze agent. You have 7 personal referrals. That volume is 7,620, so you're going to make 7% commission, 533 euros. But there's an additional bonus. Your first level, let's say they're at 5%, they're all newcomers. You're going to make a 2% bonus between your commission percentage and your first level. So you're going to make a 2% bonus, and that's on all the volume that your directs refer. So the other 8,730 euros is people that they've referred, the second row, third row, fourth row, because that person is below you in level, that direct, you're going to make that 2% bonus on all the volume below you. So you're going to make 175 extra euros. You don't need to understand all this clearly. It's just extra bonuses, extra money in your account, but it can be very lucrative. Here's another example where you're a gold agent at 10.5%. So if you look down below, it says your profit. That 9,000 euros was what those 4 people there came in combined. So you make 10.5% direct bonus. Now you can see each of them. The first guy's a silver agent. His team has 35,000 euros. So the people below him combined have 35,000 euros. And you're going to make the difference in commission between your pay scale and his pay scale. You're going to make 1.5% extra on his whole team on the 35,000 euros. The second guy is a newcomer. You're going to make 5.5% difference on his team, which is 3,000 euros. And the third guy is bronze agent, so you're going to make 3.5% on his team, which is 12,000 euro volume. And then the last guy, silver agent, you're going to make another 1.5% on his 35,000 team. So this could be a bunch of people below him that make that 35,000, but you're going to get that team bonus on his whole network. Now on each purchase, they pay out 15% bonus. So you're getting the difference, but someone else above you is getting the other 4.5%. Okay, so someone that's at a higher, like a bronze director or silver director above you, is getting that difference. So they always pay out 15%. They just spread it out to each pay scale. Now if you look down below, you made 945 euros on the direct bonus, but you made another 1,050, 420, and 165 on the team bonus. So this team bonus can get large, especially if you move up fast. Don't worry about it. It may seem complicated, but it's simple and they keep track for you. Summary. Okay guys, so there's an investment where you earn your 4 to 6.5% per week returns, which you do not have to refer anybody to make. Then you have referral bonuses and team bonuses. Now you're going to notice there's two websites. The Atlantic Global Asset Management website, which is green, and the Questra World website, which is red. You're going to get access to both automatically when you sign up. Atlantic is your portfolios and Questra World is your team. Okay, so if you actually refer someone, Questra World will keep track of your team and your referral commissions. The Atlantic back office is where you can buy your portfolios and manage your portfolios. So it's two separate websites. So now guys, you can sign up for free and then you can get back to the person who sent you to this video, get your questions answered. This is how you sign up. You click the button or link below this video. You're going to come to this page or this page. You can sign up on both pages. So if you're on the Questra World Red website, just click sign up and you're going to see the name of the person that referred you. So make sure the name is correct if it was a friend of yours. Or you're going to be on this site, then click personal office, and then it's going to be at the sign up page. Or you may even get sent directly to the sign up page. Just make sure that there's an ID number in here and it says the person's name that referred you. Now if you don't know the person that referred you, then you can just go ahead and sign up. So what you want to do is put your cell phone number in here and then click register, because they are going to send you a text message to verify your account. If you don't have a cell phone number, just put in your home number and then you're going to see an extra option here, I believe, to get confirmed by email. But definitely put your cell phone number in and have your cell phone handy. And just a tip for you when you're putting in your number, don't leave any spaces between the number, and don't forget to put the country code and whatever the specific international dialing country code you need for your country. And don't put any brackets either around the country code, just the country code, area code, number, no spaces. So when they send you the confirmation text, you can access your account. Then guys, you want to get back with your sponsor and see how to get your account set up and get funded. There are many different ways to fund your account. You can send a bank wire transfer. We have e-wallets, OKPay, Advanced Cash, and Perfect Money. Also Bitcoin. We'll explain exactly how to fund your account later in the training. Make sure you check out any other videos on this page and then click the Get Started button or link and sign up for free. It costs nothing to sign up, and then you can take a look around the back offices. Once you're signed up, check at the bottom of this page. You're going to see your sponsor's name, email, and phone number. Send them an email and ask them for access to the training site, where we're going to help you get all the training you need to get started and get set up and fund your account. I look forward to having you on our team.